to another Monbanc Monday. Today we have special guest Jonathan Bertrand, who is CTO of Monbanc, and he's going to tell us a little bit about repair centers and how minor repairs work. Jonathan, such a pleasure to have you with us today. How are you?
Good, and you?
Wonderful. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with us here tonight. Let's get right to it. First question I have for you, for those who don't know what a minor repair center is, what minor repair even is, could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, well, it's pretty simple. We are a facility that fix broken machines. So you have your broken miners that produce income for you. And obviously, as soon as your Bitcoin miner crashes, the first thing you want to do is get that repaired as quick as possible. So you don't want to leave any money on the table. And so you normally what most companies will do is they'll ship us their broken miners and we'll look into it. We'll do a diagnosis on the chip level. So we don't just, swap some parts inside the machine. We really look at the chip level at the very smallest components of the machine. And we change those components that failed and that actually causes the machine to fail.
Can you tell us a little more specifically what type of boards you fix?
Well, really anything that hashes will fix it. So you ship it our way. Either it be GPUs or any popular miner. We have Bitmain and miners. We have Silicon miners. We have the Micro BT series as well. Even if it's not a repair job that you need, we also do upgrades. So if you need to have your RAM on your Silicon miners upgraded, or if you need to change those nasty heatsinks on 17 series, we can change those as well and slap on like all-in-one upgrades on them. So we do a lot of stuff that's at the chip level on your machines.
So all this fixing and repairing, there must be some type of warranty that you offer customers.
We do offer a 30-day warranty to our customers. Obviously, there is going to be some criteria that can void that warranty. So make sure you respect all our criteria. First of all, we put security seals on the machines. You have to keep those security seals on for the duration of the warranty. We also install humidity sensors inside your machine. So if the humidity sensors are triggered, obviously this will void your warranty. And finally, if you overclock your machine with an aftermarket firmware, that will also void the warranty.
How many technicians do you work with?
Yeah, so we have our facility in partnership with Decentral in Quebec. We have over 30 technicians in there. And we are just starting now our Texas facility. We already have an head count nearing the 10 technicians there, and we're still hiring. So we're building a big team, and we're aiming for more than 60 technicians under the whole Monbanc leadership by the end of this year.
Wow. So Monbanc is definitely expanding. Speaking of which, you had mentioned Texas. Why Texas as a second location?
Well, obviously, Texas makes a lot of sense. By 2025, we're estimating that there's going to be 4,000 megawatts drawing power from the grid. That means about 1,500,000 of the newest gen units that are going to be plugged in Texas, drawing all that power. And we also know that it's a very high heat environment, and it's a bit corrosive as well. So we do expect a lot of failures over there, and all those machines are going to need maintenance, and that's what we're here for.
So I think we covered all the main topics. What a repair center is, what type of boards Monbanc fixes, and what type of warranty Monbanc offers. Thank you, Jonathan. We'll see you at Mining Disrupt.
See you soon. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Tune in to the next Monbanc Monday, where we'll be live at Mining Disrupt and the World Digital Mining Summit in Miami. See you there.